Do you have dark areas in your home when you're walking in from your garage into that entryway and it's just dark? You open up the closet and it's not as bright as you want it to be, or in your bathroom or a long hallway. You may think that there's no solution. You may think that you have to move. Or you may think you got to put in a bunch of windows, which is pretty costly, but you'd be surprised to know that there's some options and it's not as cost prohibitive as you may think. And the answer is solar tubes. Some people call them sun tunnels, and basically what it is it's a shaft of light that draws natural light from your roof down through your attic and casts that light in that dark area, brightens it right up. And there's a lot of different options, from sizes, so that if you have a big room you can put maybe a 14-inch, or if you have a small little closet you could put a 10-inch sun tunnel in. But there's also things such as night lights where they're solar powered, so at night when you're walking down your hallway there's a little bit of light in there. Other things with bathroom fans built right into them, so in the daytime you have your natural light and you flip that fan on and it all operates seamlessly. What the next step is, if you want to take that dark room and instead of trying to put windows in or an expensive skylight, go with the sun tunnel. Find a contractor, a professional contractor like First American Roofing and Siding. They can be done in as little as half a day, and they're really not cost prohibitive. You can get more information on our website at firstamericanroofing.com.